Myself, Nagraj, going to share my view and the experience which I got in LPO within 1 month. First of all, I am pursuing my BTech CSC from LPU, Lovely Professional University. First of all, I want to say that if you score good and want to pursue BTech or with CSC branch, then you can come at LPU. Why I am saying this? Because I have experienced 1 month of regular class online teaching from LPU, and I have also a good contact of my friends from IITs and NITs. First of all, when I was going to join, then I asked from them that does the tag of IIT or NIT matters in the placement? They clearly say that no friend, this is not. What matters is that if you are in some renowned institute, then the company will prefer you. But if you are hard workers, or it means you have a good quality to sit in the off campus, then you can contact with the company and the company will watch you. This is the main difference between university like LPU and IIT and NITs. Now the second thing, that when I was going through LPU counseling process and admission process, then I contact several times with the management of LPU. They were cooperating with me in a good way, and I think it is the best way because I have gone through many institutes. But what LPU management says that you can contact with them anytime. It means from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay. And what is the main thing that I got there? That they have WhatsApp. If you don't make yours comfort that you can't talk with them, because mainly they prefer English language, but you can speak in Hindi also. But if you want to contact with them like with chatting, then they have also WhatsApp, and you can contact with them with that WhatsApp only. So no need to talk in verbal language. You just type in the WhatsApp, and they can read that message and reply as fast as possible. Secondly, coming to the academic session, what academic LPU provide with us, that if you gone through many LPU videos are uploaded on the YouTube, and if you gone through them, that you will see the university campus like that, university campus 600 acres campus, many facility like hostel facility, 4-bedroom, like 3-room, 3-seater room, and so on. But today I want to talk about the academic, that what academics LPU provide. First of all, you see that when I was 1 month ago, I did not talk that much English. But today I think that I can talk English because of LPU. Because if you want to ask some doubts, then no matter if you belong from which areas of our country or any world, then you can use your own language. Like if you want to talk comfortably with Hindi, then you can go. But after that, the teacher will answer your query in English language. And if you again want to get your query, answer of queries in Hindi language, then they will definitely say. At least in India, Hindi is good. That all person need know Hindi. A little bit differences in the tone may come, but you can get answer from the teachers in Hindi language. But the students generally prefer to speak in Hindi, to ask their queries in English, and the teacher also suggests student that you can go with English language. First of all, there are 3 channels which LPU run. First of all, UMS, University Management System, and second one LPU Live, third one LPU Touch. The 3. First of all, if you want to join LPU, then first of all you have to download these 3 sites. If you registered and become a member of LPU, then you have to download these 3 things. First, University Management System, UMS, and second one LPU Touch, and third one LPU Live. What is the work of LPU Live? First, LPU Live means just like your messenger. It means the teacher will message you, they will contact with you. If you have any doubt, then you can put your doubt on that LPU Live, like just like the WhatsApp or Messenger does. In similar way, LPU Live will do for you. You can upload your queries, like you can click the photos of your queries and you can upload there. The teacher will answer. The students which are also in group, they will also answer that question if they are eligible to answer that. Secondly, there are 2 types of messages. First one is public messages. Second one is you can get private messages. It means if you want to send some private message to anyone, then you can go through that. If you click, then one option will appear like direct message. There you can message directly to that person only. If you know any person will watch that message, you and that person for whom that message was delivered will pass this message and he will respond like that privately. Okay. Second one, LPU Touch. LPU Touch means if university is going to organize some events, or some events are happening in the university, like academic or any other activities like dancing show, literary show, some event, any event like some cultural event and so on, literary event like that. Then in LPU Touch they will upload that message for you, and you have to go through that message, and if you have interest on that, then you can contact with them. Now the third one is UMS, University Management System. What is University Management System? University Management System, it means if you go on that link, if you go on that app, then you can get in good knowledge of university. It means if you have some problem, like you want some mentor, then there is a list of your mentor prescribed for you. You can get the contact number of that mentor and you can take an appointment of that one, and he will contact, definitely he or she will contact to you. And after that, if your queries is not solved, then you can contact to the higher authority like HOS, head of a school, and after that HOD, head of department. In the similar manner, you can also contact to the dean of the university. So this is the pros of the university. First of all, in online classes, what you see that there are 3 options, like hand raise option, chat option, and unmute yourself. Like if you are talking, if you want to ask some in verbal language, then you can unmute yourself and ask the question directly to the teacher which are teaching. And second one is the most preferable way is just raise your hand by clicking that hand sign, and after that this sign will be showing to the teacher which are teaching to you, and she or he will see that some students which name is appear there, and he or she has raised his or her hand. Then she will contact and she will told by asking your name that yes, like XYZ, unmute yourself and ask your queries. In the similar way, in this way you can ask your doubts. And second one is chat option. If you want to ask them doubts by writing, then you can go through the chat. It means chat box will appear on the screen. You can chat there. You can ask your doubt by writing, and the teacher will read that and he will ask you about your queries, and by unmuting yourself you can ask that doubts also. This is the 3 way of getting that. Now it's over. Okay, bye, thank you.